Good afternoon, baby girls. So Sprinkle and I just getting out of the shower. We were swimming this morning, huh, Sprinkles? So right now we're gonna hurry up and get her ready because it's about to be 2 and her mom's about to pick her up. So we're gonna do a fast hairstyle for you to do on your child, your niece, on your friends, or whatever. So you guys wanna watch? Check it out. You already know what to do. Subscribe to us, huh, Sprinkles? And check us on Rumble, Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. Go to subscribe to us on TikTok, UniqueFX Instagram, UniqueFX Makeup. Check out my mom's friend's dog. Woo, look how cute, look how cute, how cute. This doggy is my mom's friend, and she's here visiting because my mom's dog is the owner, and she needed a friend, so we brought homegirl to play. But right now, little Lulu is in the room, and I brought her right here to play with Sprinkles. Huh, Sprinkles? So let's hurry up and get Sprinkles ready. Alright, let's see what her mom... Oh, it's right here. So her mom brought her this cute outfit today. Alright, so Sprinkles got her cute little dress on. Look at that. Ooh, how cute. So her mother had got her a brush, but I don't know what happened to it. Like, so she could use my other brush that I have in here. We don't know what happened to that brush. Come on, Sprinkles. Let's out here and let's do a fast hairstyle for you. Because you're about to be 2 and your mom's gonna get you. Come on. Put your shoes down. You don't need your shoes right now. That's last. When your mama gets you. Okay, let's get you right here. Alrighty. Our hair's a little tangled up. Usually I always get Sprinkles ready first and then I get myself ready after. Oh, the dog is just messing with Sprinkles. Okay, let's brush. Oh yeah, pick up your hair, Sprinkles. Okay. Usually Sprinkle wants me to do her hair like Elsa, but no, not today. We're gonna do her cute little chonguito, something fast, because her mama's gonna be 2. Sorry. Oh, Sprinkle, I'm trying to brush your hair and you're over here moving around. Sprinkles' hair is getting long. Ow. Oh shit. Oh, I'm sorry, Sprinkles. Hold on, take this off because it's already getting in here. Let me see. I pulled this from her in accidentally. The brush did. My bad. Sprinkles has this cute little necklace, bracelet, whatever that thing is. It's called. And it's, what you call it, with the brush made me knock it out. Sorry, Sprinkles. Alright. Okay, I got this brush over here. Put your head up. I'm gonna give her like a cute little liguita. Alright.
Is this the way I comb my hair?
Yep. So I'm gonna show you guys how to split the hair in half. Okay. So I'm gonna get my little finger, put it right here on her neck. With this. Oh snap! Oh, my dad's calling. And then from right here, from the top, I'm just gonna push it down, and then from your finger, follow the brush. So now we're gonna start brushing the other side. Okay. There you go, her 2 little colitas. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab like a piece from right here. So I grab a piece, and from this side I'm just gonna put it around like this. Gonna cover up the rubber band. And then I'm gonna grab another rubber band. Alright, let's redo it because my dad called me. And I'm in a rush. And I hate it because every time I'm in a rush, I cannot do things right. Alright, so here we go again. So this side, we're just going to put it under. And we're going to cover up the rubber band so it will show. And you're just gonna do it like this in some circles. And then here's the rubber band. Alright, just like that. Bam, now we're gonna do it to the other side. So we're gonna grab a piece from right here. Same thing, just cover up the rubber band. Okay. This is what not to do. You see how I'm grabbing the rubber band with my teeth? That's not what you want to do. You want to grab it like this. Like this. We'll do outside hair some other day, not today. We'll just do something different because you always want your hair like Elsa. Alright, and you just pull it. There you go. That's the hairstyle. And then you can just do her bangs in the other side. Brush. Woohoo! There you go. That's a cute little hairstyle for y'all. Let me grab this and show you. Woo! Can you spin her? Woo! Bam!
A baby.
So that's the hair.
A baby.
Alrighty, now my turn. I'm gonna brush my hair really quick. I'm gonna sit you up right here. So stand up, Sprinkle. Show them your outfit.
Okay.
Oh, let's put your necklace back on. Come here. Come here. There you go. Your shoes. Ooh, there she goes. Ooh, look at her. Less than 5 minutes hairstyle if you're running out late like this. Alright, so that's Sprinkle's hairstyle for the look. Her mama's gonna be coming for her very soon. I'm gonna start getting ready. So I cannot find the freaking brush. I don't know what I did with the brush. Oh, here it is. I put it back. Alright, so I have her sock. She have an extra cup. I'm making sure she has everything in her bag before her mom picks her up. I'm just gonna fold up her blankie. Oh, you didn't bring your Elsa today.
Elsa day?
Yeah, you didn't bring your Elsa today, huh? You brought your other one. I have your dog. Put it right here. Here's your extra cups. Put it right there. I'm gonna start getting myself ready. So the mechanic's gonna come check out my car. Hopefully he fixes it. We'll figure out what's the problem. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright, so Sprinkle's mom's already here. So there you go. We got her ready on time. Let's go. Okay, I'll be right back.